Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable floating notifications on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So once you receive a notification, normally whether your screen is locked, you will see those notifications showing on your phone. But you can simply disable those floating notifications. And in order to do this, you want to swipe up and go to your settings, then simply tap on notifications. Then click on advanced settings here, and then you will see the option that says floating notifications. Now you'll be able to see what it looks like. Now by default, mine is currently set to the bubbles, and as you can see from the little graphics here, it shows you how those floating notifications look like. So you receive it and it also goes to the top there, right? So this is how you have it. In order to turn this off, just simple tap on off, and it will disable all of those floating notifications, so you will not have them on your phone anymore. And if you want to turn it on again, you can simply choose between the bubble or the smart pop-up view as you wish. And that's all there is to it. That's how you easily turn off floating notifications on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone.